I got stoned in Norman's kitchen. We was talking about the facts of life. That's right. He asked me, was I happy, as I reached for the butter knife. I said no, and I made a sandwich. I poured myself a cup of tea. When that cat started praying, the Spirit fell on me. Wait a minute, I didn't even know that chord back then. I got up to use the bathroom. I said, excuse me, please. But I could not keep from laughing, and I felt shaky in the knees as I leaned against the mirror. My heart let out a sigh, like something heavy left me, and I opened up my eyes. I can see I am free, and I'm who I want to be. Mercy me, mercy me, mercy me. Oh yeah, mercy me. I was born in dusty Stockton, and I grew up in San Jose, but I never started living until I learned to pray. Now my parents, they ignore me. They say I've gotten strange. But when you're touched by heaven, you know that something's bound to change. I can see I am free, and I'm who I want to be. Mercy me, mercy me, mercy me. Yeah. Well, I can see I am free, and I'm who I want to be. Mercy me, mercy me, mercy me. Yes, yes. But I can see, oh yeah, I can be free now. I can be me I want to be now, yeah. Mercy, mercy, mercy me. Mercy me. I'll talk about JC. Yeah, I can see I am free, and I'm who I want to be. Mercy me, mercy me, mercy me. He poured his mercy on me. I can see, I can see I am free. I can be free now. And I'm who I want to be. I want to be. Mercy, mercy me, mercy me. Oh yeah, mercy me, oh mercy me. Hey yeah, yeah. That's right. And the dogs say amen.